The ASUS TUF B650E-Plus motherboard is engineered with a robust power delivery system featuring 12 plus 2 plus 180 ampere DrMOS power stages, ensuring stable performance for demanding applications. This motherboard supports the latest DDR5 memory and PCI Express 5.0, providing a future-proof platform for next-generation gaming and computing tasks. Equipped with Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, the ASUS TUF B650E-Plus offers ultra-fast connectivity options for seamless online gaming and data transfer. The inclusion of 3 M.2 slots, including one PCI Express 5.0 slot, ensures ample storage expansion with superior thermal management through integrated heatsinks. A DIY-friendly design is highlighted by features like the PCI Express Slot Q-Release, Q-Latch for M.2, and a pre-mounted I/O shield, making installation straightforward. With customizable RGB lighting and ASUS-exclusive Aura Sync technology, users can personalize their setups with vibrant lighting effects.